In today's presentations, we have discovered so many interesting issues that can and technologies that can support our market. The diversity of social housing and of affordable housing demand across Europe is quite a big problem, and we have discussed the barriers that we have to overcome in terms of policies, governance, processes. So the solutions that were presented, that they prove that technology is here. So we have the robots, we have the AI that supports planning, that supports the processes, that supports the construction sites today. The problem is how to transfer the technology and how to pick the right solution and how to actually think in a long-term perspective of the quality of our housing environment. And we believe that digitalization in this case that would help to quantify the housing stock and also to prove that the field that we are working on is renovation and new construction, that the database of the technologies and also of the housing stock parameters, the accessible and transparent database would help so much in transferring the technologies from the suppliers to the housing market actors.